BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So, I'm looking at two grills here, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit S-315. What are your first impressions?
Well, right off the bat, the price is a huge difference. The Nexgrill's around $180, while the Weber is like $850. That's a big jump.
Yeah, definitely. The Nexgrill is way more budget-friendly. But what about features?
Okay, so the Nexgrill is portable, right? It's designed for camping and stuff. It's got a smaller cooking area, 263 square inches, and 2 burners putting out 13,500 BTUs. And, it's a grill and griddle combo, which is neat.
That 2-in-1 thing sounds pretty cool. What about the Weber?
The Weber's a full-sized grill. It's got a much larger cooking area, 424 square inches and 3 burners. It's stainless steel, so it should be pretty durable. Plus it has tool hooks and porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are easy to clean. And the Weber uses natural gas.
So the Weber isn't portable at all, it's more for the backyard. The Nexgrill is propane compatible, which makes sense for portability. What about the build quality?
The Nexgrill is made of cast aluminum, which is decent, and has cast iron grates. People say it's well made for the price. The Weber, being stainless steel, is probably more durable in the long run. Its porcelain enameled finish helps prevent rust. It's also much heavier, like 125 pounds compared to the Nexgrill's 28.7 pounds.
Okay, so the Weber is built to last. But is it worth the extra money?
That depends on what you need. If you want a portable grill for camping or tailgating, the Nexgrill's a great, affordable option. But if you're looking for a high-quality, durable grill for regular use at home, and you have a natural gas line, the Weber might be worth the investment.
Makes sense. The Weber also has more cooking space, which is good for bigger families.
Exactly. It really comes down to portability versus size and long-term durability. And, of course, budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.